Muthia mutongoria wa kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka nianireire ndigano yake na ngwataniro ya Azimio la Umoja ĩrĩa ĩtongoragio ni Raila Odinga.
For how long do people expect one Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka to be the one always to sacrifice? And that after sacrificing, they mess up the country.
Kalonzo uria mari hamwe na mutongoria wa kiama gia KANU Gideon Moi matinekinye igongona-inĩ ria kwamurwo kwa Martha Karua ta munini wa Raila Odinga. Oigite ni maiguithanĩirie na Raila Odinga kunina kihiko kiao. Riu akiuga agakorwo kihitahitano-inĩ kia mweri wa kanana na kiama kia Wiper kuria amurire Andrew Sunkuli ta munini wake.
My brother Raila knows I'm naming my running mate. In fact, from Mombasa he came home to try to convince me to accept his choice of our sister Martha Karua. We did not agree, and I said, let's sleep over it. We slept over it, and last night we are at it. We did not again agree, so this is why we agreed that you will name Martha and I will name my running mate today.
Kalonzo niongereire kuuga ati ona thengia wa gukindira Raila Odinga rita ria gatatu kiharo-ini kia Jacaranda guku Nairobi, maundu maingi ni mahanikite gatagati-ini kao magatuma acenjie murugamo wake.
It so happens that my name as we speak is before the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission as a presidential candidate for Wiper Democratic Movement.
Oho niongereire kuuga ati we na Raila Odinga hamwe na President Uhuru Kenyatta ni makoretwo na mĩario ĩgiĩ no mwagĩrĩru gukorwo ari munini wa Raila Odinga, no itua ria kwamura Martha Karua rirakinyanĩirio ni Odinga we mwene.
Final decision has actually been taken by the candidate himself, the Honorable Raila Odinga, his own decision, which I respect, and I wish him and his running mate, our sister Martha Karua, well.
Muthenya wa ira kiama kia Wiper ni kirarutite mukana wa guthii igoti-ini gikienda igoti rinene riheane watho wa gubunjia ngwataniro ya Azimio la Umoja One Coalition niguo kuriukia kioneki gia Kalonzo kuhuranira giturwa kia president.
Wa Kenya nasema Raila Odinga tosha mara ya tatu. Kuja hapa ndugu yangu.
Kuma riria Kalonzo Musyoka macokanirwo na Raila Odinga matafanite kambeni ya hamwe oro kaunti-ini ya Turukana na kumanagia na hau mwikuwaniro ukiingira gatagati ka aya eri.
With all humility, therefore, I accept the nomination to be the running mate of the presidential candidate of the Wiper Democratic Movement.
Soon after this, I want to go mute for another 1 week.
Itua riri ria Kalonzo Musyoka ni rigukorwo rikihurwo ndurumeni kana ni no hoti wa kugiria ahuraniri agiturwa kia president kuyukia gicunje kia 50 kuongerera 1 harĩ 100 niguo kuhota kuyukia uhotani wa giturwa kia president. Iribotera Kameme TV kuma Karen guku Nairobi, Jeta Gitau wa Wanjikũ.